Hey everyone, so today we will talk about photo moments, and this is a very quick, short, and useful functionality in PlanMe that we use to manage our VIP guests. That, like the guests that you don't want your photographer to miss. And for that, you need to come to the stop nav bar, click on the photo moments button, and once you are here, you will see two buttons, export list and add VIP guests. So first you need to add them, and let's say you hit on add VIP guest, you need to put a name, say Shivam, and then you need to put what is the relationship, like just good friend, and the description is completely optional. Let's say you uh, like I said, this is completely optional, and then you need to add the image, and I'll just add a demo image, and then you need to click on add guest. Once you do that, you have this guest added in your list, and once you have the list complete, you can just click on export list button. This is not just an export CSV thing. This is a complete list that will have all the names, the description, the uh, relationship, and the photos, and it will be exported in a PDF, so you can see all the photos, their names, and every detail, and you can also share it with the photographer. And once you do that, that is it for this functionality.